Okay, we're coming up to the Pentecost River, and yeah, it's amazing how much this must flood. If you can see the trees ahead of us, they're all full of debris from when it's flooded, halfway up some of the trees, and the river is at least 10 or 15 metres below us, over the edge there. So there must be a huge amount of water that comes through here. An amazing amount to see all these trees full of debris. That's why this road gets closed in wet season, I guess, because it would be impossible. This road would be 5 to 10 metres underwater for a long distance. So we're now coming up to the crossing. This is the big crossing that you always hear about, the Pentecost crossing. Rebecca's just going to hold this while we go through. Just better put her in 40 just to be safe. Make my range. So we've got a guy going in front of us, which is good. We'll see any crops in here. Just going to go real slow on this one. It's not very deep, but as it would be when it's flooded. If you have a look to the side, you'll see how big this river really is. It's a huge river. Back in front of us, working our way through it. Beautiful clean water though. Very rocky. It's all just rocks, this road. This crossing. Working my way along. Probably go for a bit of a pedal here. Don't see any crops around. Working my way across. Bumpy. Not the smoothest of crossings, that's for sure. Not very deep, luckily. Idling in first low across this one. And it's starting to get a bit deep. I just seen a fish. Yeah, that's that. Hands back over. Let's have a look out here. This is us going through the crossing. Starting to get a bit deep. Big rock. The Pentecost River crossing. Beautiful big river. And we're up out of the water. Hope the caravan's not full of water. We're done.